Let's make this homemade keto strawberry jam. So, first off, we start with washing our strawberries. Ayan, ako lang na siyang ihulom sa salt, baking soda, o tawag ani suka, vinegar. You can also just use baking soda if you prefer, or vinegar if you prefer. So, waswasan na nato siya. And then after that is, ato nang kuhaon yung atong whole ba tawag na niya, or yung core. Basta, mo na siya. So, mo sa kung nagitawag strawberry, no? Kaya you can use a straw to remove the center. So, after that, mauna na siya. And then, just put na to sa pan. And then, add some, instead of sugar, we're using erythritol as sweetener. And then, i-mash lang nato siya. Hantod nga, mapino gid siya using a masher. Ana. So, diha. Mash until as in maano na gid siya, manggawas ang iyang juice bali, and then you can start the fire after that, and then you can cook it slowly. And then of course ginamix nimo siya every now and then. Na siya, nagbukal na siya. And then after that is, you can add some lemon juice. So the lemon juice will add some tartness, so to balance out the sweetness of the tawag ani sa katong gibutang na to nga sweetener. And then you can add some lemon zest as well. And this one is like a thickener. It's xanthan gum akong gigamit, about 1 teaspoon. Tapos ang kato daeng ganiha sweetener is about 1/3 cup. Depende lang sa imo kung how sweet you want it to be. And then add some asin or salt to balance out the sweetness and to the flavor, enhance the flavor. And then once inaan na ng consistency, ready na to siya. And then mag-sterilize ta sa atong jars. So simple lang kayo pag-sterilize, about 30 minutes or 15 minutes kani okay na. Magipabukala na to. And then i-dry lang nato to siya, and then ready na ta to put our jam sa jar. So mauna na siya ang result. So ato lang ni siyang takuban, and then we're gonna put them in the fridge. And then ready na siya na palaman nato. So the next day, what I was doing is I tried it out. So I'm just gonna toast some bagel. And then ang isa is nagbuhat man ko egg mayo akong toppings. Tapos ang isa is akong gigamit atong jam. So and then it's time for breakfast. Mga unta ninyo guys.